We are already out for the walk this morning. It is 68 degrees, which is pretty crazy. We are already in June and it's still cold, like chilly in the morning. So I already miss Florida's weather. I just realized that today is Saturday and that I am gonna have to do a bit of work in the house or in my garden. I will be doing a full cleaning tomorrow for Sunday because I planned on coding today, even though it's Saturday, because I haven't done much coding because we were on a little mini vacation. So I am going to do that so I can be done sooner and hopefully the job the job odds are in my favor because your girl needed to make some money and get a job, so we can start making our own money and start saving and do something for the future. Front garden is thriving. Still got a few ones coming in there. This one, I love this flower so much. It goes so big. I'm trying to spread it out all over, and it's very resilient. So I'm kind of planting it on the other side as well. And then let me go over here. They are thriving too. So there's more on that side too. Some of the plants that I had in here died, so like right one right there. I don't know what happened, but we're gonna plant some more because it's kind of bare. I got one in here. It's coming out, so it's still a baby, and they just bloomed and then they're done. So I can't wait until they're all thriving again. So that's why I kind of feed them. The weather is so unpredictable, so I'm not sure if it's gonna rain today. Let me check. I don't think it's supposed to rain, but I have this chair in here. I'm probably just gonna bring it in. And I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Look at this, you guys. Look at that roots. It's coming in, so I will eventually have to pot this little monstera. It's beautiful and it looks so nice. So I think it's ready for me to plant. So I'm gonna get some topsoil and then some little base that I can put her in. Also, I use these eggshells to put in my garden. These are clean, so I'm just gonna do that and let it dry out. I decided to get ready because I wanted to go get Kai some food, and I decided that I'm gonna try and look cute. This is the outfit. I love this turquoise skirt. It's my favorite color as well. And this top is from American Eagle, and some black sandals. Tell me, I don't know what it is, but lately I have been feeling myself. I've been dressing up, putting myself together, putting some makeup on. Oh, and my little Michael Kors summer bag. I got a new one. Let me show you that one, the other one. this little raffia bag. It is so cute. It is so girly. I don't know, I might bring her today. It's got a strap on it, but I like the just to hold it like that. It's so cute. I was saying that I have been in the mood to put myself together, do some makeup here and there. This top kind of, it's weird. But I do feel so good for some reason ever since I've tried to change my workout, and I don't feel like I am super stressed out anymore. So I feel my body kind of relaxing, my mind is relaxed. Also, I think meditation helped as well. So I have been meditating almost every day now. I think I am on my 23rd day of meditation. I decided to change my top because I didn't want my chest to be on full display. So I just did this tube and this skirt. It actually works well. And I changed my shoes for my jelly sandals. More comfy because I'm just running an errand and it's just around the corner. And I actually think that this looks pretty good. Sometimes we have to get out of our comfort zone and try something different instead of doing something the same, like matchy. I think this is good to do some experiment, you know, to think outside of the box and see if it actually works. And it does actually work, which is crazy. I don't know how I feel about the shoes. I might change it to a white slides though, so it will look cute. I love white shoes. Everything that I have are pretty much white. I have some color in my shoes, but predominantly it is white. And because I like it, especially when it's clean. So yes, okay, that is what we're gonna go for. All right, it's time to run, and I hope it doesn't rain. Hi. I decided to quickly change my little bag to this because I have to put my camera in, I have to put the keys, so I'm just gonna be carrying so much. So yeah, it's tiny, but it's pretty spacious. I am gonna go stop and get my Starbucks. I actually ordered matcha latte, and yeah, we're gonna go and do that. Get some treats and food for Kai. Hopefully I can find it in this store because I really don't want to find it anywhere else. Also, I'm using my Insta360 Go Ultra and the suction on it. Hopefully it stays pretty good. So I was saying earlier, I have been feeling myself. I've been feeling like a girly girl, and I also got my nails done. Usually I don't get long nails because the typing for me is, I don't like long nails when I'm typing in the keyboard, and it gets in the way. But I am also in the mood for some long nails because long nails doesn't look good on me. It just looks so weird. Or short nails doesn't look good on me. So I have to find that balance where I can enjoy and look like a girl, enjoy my life, you know, enjoy my time. Yeah, I'm just using this, doing it this way, like everybody does. And yeah, I'm actually currently enjoying this life right now. I feel so relaxed. I feel so good. And I am in the mood to be a girl, to put myself together, put some outfits together and all that kind of stuff. Sometimes I do wish I have like an older sister because I am the oldest with my siblings. There's 5 of us and I'm the oldest, and sometimes I wish I have an older sister. I had friends before that are older than me, and I love it because to have somebody that's older than you, that they can teach you things and show you things that I don't know, and someone to give you advice, to be a big sister, I wish I had that, but I am the oldest. And yeah, very different. And sometimes I wish I had a sister. Also, my friends we all live in different places. It's hard to kind of get together and hang out and do girly things. I miss that. There's not a lot of people that I open up to. I am kind of an introvert now. I never used to be, but as I got older, I like my peace. I like quiet. I like slow times. That's how I feel now, but when I was younger, I love adventure. I love to do a lot of things in fun times. I don't know what happened. And I wasn't afraid to do things, but as I got older, it just changed, and that's okay. I'm fine with that. I actually like this me right now, calmer and more disciplined, I would say. I just like how my body feels currently. You guys, now it is super sunny and I don't have my glasses. I'm telling you, this weather is something else, man. It's gloomy, rain, sun. Now I'm off to Target to just look for a few things to go get something for Father's Day for my husband and see what they have. Guys, I'm going back home now. I just got Kai's stuff and I didn't find anything that I wanted to do for Father's Day, but I'll keep looking. But my husband said he just wanted some crab legs. So I think I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna go home now because I am hungry and I don't know what time it is now, so go home. I do want to sit outside right now. It's 78 degrees. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain, so I want to enjoy this weather. So I think that's what I am gonna do. Oh yeah, I'm going. So gonna sit outside and enjoy this weather as much as I can. Okay, you guys, I am home now. I am going to get something to eat really quick, or make something to eat really quick, and I'm gonna get dressed and sit out in the sun and enjoy. But first, I wanted to show you guys this little thing right here. It's a little lash, individual lash clusters, and my friend Yam got me into this. I'm having this sardines. I made this yesterday. I am basically just repeating it. I made the sardines with tomatoes and some garlic and pasta with it. I don't know what you call this, but yeah, it's sardines with pasta. I love the sardines. Put some basil on that, some vegetables. Oh, I just am lazy. I don't want to cut it. I'm just going to put the whole thing in there. And I have some broccoli as well that I'm going to put with that. This is going to be so good. Alright, you guys, I decided that I am just gonna do some work tomorrow and clean my bathroom today. So I don't have to do it tomorrow. I just gotta do some laundry. I don't know what else I gotta do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.